Today is the 41st day of the nationwide lockdown that has been imposed to contain the spread of coronavirus across the country, and today also happens to be the first day of the phase 3 of the lockdown, the extended lockdown till 17th of May. The number of cases have soared past 42,000 and more than 1,300 people have lost their lives to COVID-19. Well, there are certain restrictions that have been eased in this phase 3 of the lockdown. A new set of guidelines have been released by the Home Ministry, yet there are certain activities that are still not allowed. So let's take a look at what are these activities that are still not allowed.
Public activities will remain prohibited throughout the country irrespective of the zone divisions. Air, rail and travel by metro will remain banned like the first two phases of the lockdown. Interstate movement on roads will also remain banned and will be allowed only for special purpose and with permission from the Ministry of Home Affairs. Schools, colleges and other educational, training and coaching institutions will continue to remain prohibited from functioning across the country. Hospitality services including hotels, cafes, restaurants and malls will also not be allowed to reopen across the country. Places that see large-scale public gatherings such as cinema halls and movie theatres can't open under this extended lockdown. No gatherings at religious places of worship will be allowed during this lockdown. The government has banned all social, political, cultural and other kinds of gatherings. Religious gatherings and worshipping in public places have also been banned. The Ministry of Home Affairs has banned movement of individuals for all non-essential activities in all three zones from 7 a.m. in the morning till 7 p.m. in the evening. However, these rules do not apply for containment zones where all movement will remain prohibited. All gyms and sports complexes will also remain shut in the third phase of the nationwide lockdown.
So now you know that what is still not allowed in this phase 3 of the lockdown. We are still battling the coronavirus across the country. So take proper precautionary measures, wear a mask when you go out, carry a hand sanitizer and frequently sanitize your hands. And when you come back to your house, wash your hands properly. Stay safe, stay protected and fight coronavirus together, and keep watching One India English.